Hello Cancerians, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to your own channel, and today we're going to read the cards for you for your relationship era. How are the vibrations and what kind of an energies you're getting from your partner, and what are the specific and categoric messages you're getting from the energies this month. So let's get ahead and see your cards. Okay, I'm just flipping over the cards one by one and I'm checking that what is happening here. You will be surprised to see a couple of messages here which maybe you were wanting for some time, but then that was not coming across the way you wanted them, but then now that's happening. So look at the messages. But before we start, I'd like to share my contact numbers with you. So if in case you want to get your personalized reading done, you can reach me easily. The number is 8448901791. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, or you can leave a Telegram message also on this number. You can email me on blossomlighttarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlighttarot.com. Thank you, and let's get ahead. What is it that the month of November bringing for you? The month of November is bringing reconciliation for you. And when I say reconciliation from you is something which is happening after a betrayal. So the person you are dealing with right now, he's not worth it, or maybe the things are not getting into that direction what you always wanted them to go. And this is why you are going to meet someone from your past. So an ex-partner, ex-energy is coming back into your life. That's what the energy is. So few of you might reconcile with one of your ex-partners. That's very much there in the cards, Cancerians. Also, I see that when you will reach this person, you will be all exhausted, shattered because of the betrayal you've gone through, and this person will turn out to be like a doctor for you, who will actually heal all your pains, or maybe a healer who will heal all your pains. So that reconciliation is happening. After a betrayal, after a pain, there's a harmony which is coming your way. Okay, now with the presence of this person, the new person I'm talking about, or there's a reconciliation what I'm talking about, after that you will feel very much satisfied. So the sense of satisfaction which was missing from your life for some time, or you always wanted that kind of satisfaction in your life from a relationship perspective, and that is coming your way in this month. Also, you will feel like with this person, so when you reconcile with this ex energy of yours, this time when you meet with this person, you will realize that there was a reason you met this person again. Maybe you both knew each other from your past. Maybe you have a reincarnation kind of a relationship with each other, and then you always meant to be with each other, but then what happened, you got with someone else, and he or she got someone else in his life. But then now life, since it has gotten you back together, put you back together, and given you one more chance, you will want to genuinely give this relationship a chance. Okay, that's another thing which is very, very evident from your cards and the energies what I see here. Also, when you meet this person this time, maybe it will not be a romantic angle altogether. Maybe when you interact with each other this time, looks like the energies say that when you interact with each other this time, you will feel like that it's a very good companionship from a friendship perspective. So the friendship, it's a pure core friendship support kind of energies which are giving you support in the month of November. And slowly, gradually, this relationship will reach to a level where you can explore it from other perspectives too, dear Cancerians. Also, one more thing which is important here is that it will start going towards that direction. It will not reach at that stage as of now in the month of November. So it's not like the person comes, proposes you, and you say yes, and then you get engaged, you get married. No. Right now, it's a discussion happening within your thoughts, within your mind. The analyzation of situation is happening at your end. It is not happening anywhere else right now. So that's very much clear here from the energy perspective. But I'll tell you one thing, that it is worth exploring these energies, worth exploring this relationship right now, because it will give you good results. So give it a chance, and you have that, that right in life to have your life the way you want it to be, and in a positive direction also. So give it a chance. You gave chance one person, it did not work out the way you wanted it to. Now give one more chance to the other person, and maybe this time you will turn out to be like a, it will turn out to be a surprise package for you, even if you knew each other for some time in past. Okay, stop creating illusions in your mind. That's very important, because I think that you think a lot, Cancerians, and because your overthinking is, at times overpowers your decision. And this is why it is important to stop overthinking in the month of November 2020 for you, because keep an open mind towards things. Do not keep restrictions, the initial stage of the relationship only, because it's not right. Okay, also with that energy, I think that it will give you a lot of family time also, because the last relationship you were in, that was not worth exploring, and it was not giving you that relationship, that time with your family what you always wanted. So this new thing, since you're keeping an open mind, since you are keeping yourself open, since you are thinking now from other perspective also, this is giving you a chance to have a very good family time here. So family time you were missing for some time, Cancerian, that this family time is coming your way in the month of November 2020, because of the presence of this friendly energy which I see in your cards. That's very much visible. Also, few of you might go through a breakup in a situation where you were about to get married. You wanted to get married to this person, but then you could not get married because whatever XYZ reasons, last minute breakup, maybe the person said no, you said no, you felt like you're confused, and you don't want to be with that person, and you heard something from somewhere. This is why you stopped interacting with this person. But then this relationship was at a stage wherein you were almost ready to get married, Cancer. So that there's a breakup happening, but then do not take it in a negative manner at all, because this is a positive energy. It's a positive thing which is happening. Maybe it was not worth it. It was not worthing, so worth of putting so much efforts. Also, I would like to connect this card with the last card here, where I talk about reconciliation after a betrayal. Maybe the same person you are, what I feel is this is the person you were dealing with. This is the person you wanted to get married with. And now by the end of month, you will realize that if you would have got married to this person, what would have happened. So those thought processes are also actually running in your mind, which is giving you another perspective to the relationship. But I'll tell you one thing, this new person who's entering in your life, this new relationship which is entering your life right now, I feel that it is worth exploring, and keep an open mind towards this person. Don't compare two relationships with each other. Also, this person can be your soulmate, so you can involve your family also. And in fact, after some time, maybe you will realize that you are having that relationship with this person, that you want to introduce him to your family, and you would want him to meet up with your family, have some family time with your family, and then you want to decide you want to get married or you don't want to get married to the person. One important key message here in your reading is that you need to learn forgiving. Forgive people, move on, and learn from your mistakes, with the mistakes you had in life, the kind of mistakes you always had in life. Okay, this relationship, previous one was a learning. Move ahead, move on towards a new relationship, and then it will give you good results also. The energies are very good, very pure, positive, very strong. Also, let's quickly pull a card for you, which is your relationship card, and see what exactly you're getting in terms of relationship right now. So see, you are destined for greatness on the wings of love. See, you're getting good energies, you are getting good vibrations. Okay, this card is very beautiful. The primary reason and the primary objective of love is to make you a better person. It is not about having a having good energies, healing you, fixing you. No, it is not the job of your lover. The job of love, the objective of being in love is to make you a better person, or you become a better person with that, with the influence of that person. This new relationship is getting you that. So enjoy it to the most. Take care. God bless you. Be happy. Be nice to people around you. Your reading is very positive. It is moving from negative towards a positive and towards a positive person. So please give it a chance. Enjoy your life and take care. God bless you. Bye.